so I made a floral box. This is not supposed to be a floral box.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life.
Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Kisshaj, and thank you so much for stopping back by my YouTube channel. I am super duper excited about this DIY today. Yes, this DIY turned out so perfect that I can't wait to show you guys how I did it. Yes, but I have a story to tell you. This was not supposed to, so I made a floral box. This is not supposed to be a floral box. I started out creating a different DIY altogether, and it turned into this beautiful DIY floral box, and I'm excited about it. So stay tuned if you're interested in how this turned out. Okay, I'll see you soon.
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life.
Alright, so to complete this project, you'll need the Jumbling tower game from the dollar store, a pair of scissors, glue, a towel, and this little L-shaped ruler. I know it has a name. I don't know what the name of it is, but these are the supplies that you would need, okay? So for the size planters that I wanted, I used 2.5 boxes of the pieces, the Jumbling tower pieces. In this part, I'm just trying to figure out how big I want my square to be.
Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
So once you determine how big you want your planter to be and you have your pieces in place, the next step is just to simply start gluing them down. I didn't use wood glue. I would recommend that you do use wood glue in order to glue these together.
Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember?
I did 2 planters. I did a larger one and a smaller one. This is me putting the smaller one together.
Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're what I need.
Can I take you there?
So once you would have determined what size you wanted and had all your pieces glued together, this is what they'll look like. I glued 6 of these together, 6 small ones and 6 of the big ones. I only end up using 4 small ones and I used 6 of the big ones. So what you want to do is, using wood glue, you want to glue each of these squares together. So all 4 of your small ones will be glued together and all 6 of your big ones will be glued together. You want to put glue in between each layer. Once you have each layer glued together, then you'll use a clamp to hold them together until they completely dry. I allowed mine to dry overnight.
Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I
make sure that they stay as even as you possibly can make them. Once you have allowed them to dry, I took a fine grit sanding paper and just sanded each side of both planters to make sure that I removed all the glue. Once you have completed that, you want to paint the planters whatever color you desire. I decided to go with black. Once you have painted and allowed the paint to dry, you then take a small piece of cardboard and glue it down to the back of the planters. This will act as the base.
Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there?
I forgot to mention these in the supply list, but you will need these foam floral blocks in order to insert the flowers inside of these in order to make them stay. So you just insert this inside the planter. If they won't fit, you can cut them to size.
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my
After you have that complete, then you can start inserting the flowers just like you see here. There's no certain type of pattern that I used. I just inserted them inside the foam. My goal was to cover that foam up so that you wouldn't see it, and to also make sure that you couldn't see the inside of it due to me not painting the inside. So that was my goal here. So once you've completed the smaller planter, you do the exact same thing to the larger planter.
Can I take you there? 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 Can I take you there?
I may have forgotten to also mention the flowers in the list of supplies. Don't worry, I will have all the supplies used listed in the comments below. So don't worry. When you purchase these flowers from the Dollar Tree, you will have to cut them down to size in order to fit inside the planter. If you're still here with me and you're still watching, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much. Honey, yes, take a look at that. This turned out beautiful. If you loved how this project turned out, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button. That way, every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.